Hi, I'm The Fear. I've been trading for over 5 years, and every day my team, now more than 6,000 strong, trades calmly and with purpose.
They say that I'm on the road, maybe I just lost control. These nights keep on taking toll, find me out here on my own.
Today you will see a growth session built entirely on logic. No emotions, just facts. If that sounds like your kind of approach, welcome to the Telegram. But if you're just here to watch, there is no point going further. Subscribe and let's get real work. Before starting the session, I configured our technical analysis robot. Choosing pairs AUD-CHF, AUD-CAD, CHF-GPY, CAD-CHF. Time frame 1 minute to catch fast movements and react instantly. Indicator, alligator, one of the most reliable tools for measuring trend strength. These settings help the robot adapt to the strategy and deliver highly accurate signals. Once everything's ready, we can start trading with confidence. First trade, AUD-CHF. The chart instantly starts out. Price is pushing into a historical low. The market is stuck at the bottom, and the alligator shows seller momentum has faded. Movement is slowing down. That's a direct signal. Reversal incoming. I don't miss the moment. I enter a $25 buy trade. Want to spot reversal setups like this automatically? ProfitX robot is turned for trend indicators and delivers up to 100 signals per day. Right? I want ProfitX. And it worked perfectly. Price started to rise and the trade closed in profit. Balance now at $48. That's what happens when you trust analysis, not guesswork. Next, AUD-CAD. Totally different story here. The alligator jaws are clamped tight to the charts, showing steady downward pressure. Candles confirm it. Bears are in control. No hesitation, I open a $48 sell trade with the full balance. We catch strong movements like this in advance in the VIP channel. Fresh analysis, levels and daily trade plans. Want to be part of the team? Right, I want VIP. I wait and the market delivers. Price continues falling. Trade closes in profit. Balance now $92. This was one of those trades where fast action matters. Even a second's delay can cost you the setup. Next up, CHF-GPY. On the chart, price is pushing up against resistance. The alligator sits below, and the candles are bumping their heads against the level. Perfect signal for a sell entry. No second thoughts. I open a $92 sell trade. Want to trade without doing any analysis at all? Use copy trading. Trades are automatically mirrored to your account. Right? I want copy. Another solid outcome. The trend shifts downward and the trade closes in profit. Balance now at $176. When you stick to the strategy, moments like this become routine. Now on to CAD CHF. Completely different setup this time. The alligator is pushing price upward, lines are spreading out, a new uptrend is forming. It's a clean setup. I opened a $176 buy trade. Want to see trends like this and get real-time support on your trades? Join private trading. Right? I want private. And it's another perfect hit. Price climbs steadily and the trade adds $338 to the balance. There is the trades that feel especially good. It's like the market opened the door for you. Final trade, back to AUD CHF. The chart shows a fresh candle breaking through the previous low. That marks the end of the drop and the beginning of the new uptrend. No hesitation, I enter a $338 buy trade with the full balance. By the way, with the Profitex robot fully configured, you don't need to search for these setups manually. They come to you. Want the same? Right, I want Profitex. And the perfect finish. Price moved up just as expected, and the balance now sits at $648. 5 trades in a row, zero stress and solid deposit growth. Today I started with $25 and finished with $649 in just 5 trades. And this wasn't some lucky streak, it was a result of clear analysis, proper configuration of the Profitex robot, and disciplined execution. This tool seriously cuts down the time spent searching for entries, making trading smoother and more structured. Want the same results? Set your assets, activate the signals and start building your deposit today. Link to get started in the description.